Don't fall down, I rather fall up. I'm tryna get Drake down into the mall up. A lot of niggas hate now and some show love, but a nigga boss down and I'm bossed up.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda, as you guys don't already know. And today I have this special look here for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe down below. And if you would like to see how I create this look right here, then just keep on watching.
Never trip about it. Push you stack up to the ceiling. Money's a devil, they tellin', but they only tellin' cause they never felt what it feels to be honest.
Hello guys, so I did my brows off camera as you guys could see, and I'm also concealing them off camera, but I'm just blending it and just getting ready for that eyeshadow and for this bomb ass look. Like, yes girl, yes. I'm gonna be placing the names of the brushes on the side of the screen so you guys know what brushes I am using, so I don't have to be saying. And I'm gonna be going in with this light brown. This is like one of my favorite like transitions. Like, I love going in with browns. And I'm gonna just be placing this all over the eyelid just to kind of make this as my transition, my base, like just kind of like to start off my look. Then I like to go in with the blending brush and just be blending all this in together. Even though it is my transition, I like to go in with the blending brush and make sure everything is blended well. We're gonna go in with this baby blue right here. By the way, I am using the Bella Slay It palette. I'm sorry you guys, I didn't tell you, like I thought you guys knew. Yeah, I'm gonna be going in with this baby blue and just kind of be placing this all over the eyelid and just kind of packing it and making it very messy because I kind of start off messy. Sorry guys, but yeah. And yeah, I'm just gonna be packing it in the crease, and also I am gonna wing it out because I'm doing a full cut crease, so I'm just gonna be winging it out just like that. With the Pro Concealer in LA Girl in shade Porcelain, and I'm just gonna be cutting my crease all the way out. I squeezed it too hard, so I had to go in with the brush. As you guys can see, yeah, I'm going in with the brush and just kind of like spreading it with the brush and doing my cut crease with the brush. Charlotte in Bloom, going in with that white shade called Charmer, and you know, just setting the concealer so it doesn't like move anywhere. And by I mean move, it means transfer, so y'all know because it doesn't walk. And going in with this like dark blue, it's like navy blue, and putting this on the crease just to like darken it up and make it sharp and neat and clean. YX glitter primer. So I didn't have any eyeliner that was orange, and I didn't have money to go buy one. So what I did was I got concealer and I kind of like did a wing eyeliner with concealer, and then I'm adding orange eyeshadow on top, and this is the orange eyeshadow by Stardust, and I'm applying it on top of the concealer, and this is gonna be my orange eyeliner. So this is my orange eyeliner. So I am going with this eyeliner, and this is the L'Oreal Infallible eyeliner in Slim, and I'm adding 4 like lines on my eyeliner just to make it like tigerish. I don't know, that was just like my little theme or whatever. And I'm gonna go in back in with the blue, and also I'm going in with the dark blue as well. I just don't have the clip, and just placing that in the bottom of my waterline. This is the Maybelline eyeliner, the gel eyeliner, and just kind of be putting that on the waterline as well. Going in with some lashes, like some dramatic eyelashes, because you know I love some dramatic lashes. And this is just to finish off the eye look right here. And I did my face off camera, like a champagne pop, some on the brow bone and my inner corner. And if you guys didn't know, I got braces, like I told you guys last video. But if you didn't watch my last video, I did get braces, so I'm actually pretty happy.
Taylor about the fucking flex.
And to set the brows, I like to go in with this mascara called the Great Lash and just kind of set my brow hairs in place. And for the lippy today, I'm going in with this NYX one, and it's so freaking bomb. I just don't like really matte lipstick, so I do go in with a gloss. This is by LA Colors. You could buy this for like $1. Like, go buy it, dude. It's like so good and it smells good. Marco Badescu Skincare Rose Water, and just kind of like setting my face because your girl was going out that day, and you know she had to have her face set.